Coming up in VUCast, get ready to see stars. We're taking you to space camp. Find out why mosquitoes bite some folks more than others, and get Pinterested in Vanderbilt. Hi, I'm Amy Wolf with VUCast. Since the Hubble Space Telescope first turned its eye to the skies 2 decades ago, it's been giving us spectacular images of galaxies far, far away, and capturing the imagination of space lovers around the world. Some young space fans are camping out at Vanderbilt's Dyer Observatory, creating their own version of this amazing telescope. For these kids, space is about a lot more than playing Star Wars.
Once it gets in the solar panel, that energy turns into electricity, which will go in here.
These middle schoolers are taking part in a very special space camp at the Vanderbilt Dyer Observatory, focusing on the Hubble telescope.
And I was like, whoa, we're gonna build a Hubble Space Telescope. I was really excited.
That's right, they're building mini space telescopes.
The commands are sent from the ground station up to a relay satellite.
With the help of NASA's founding Hubble scientist, Dr. Bob Odell.
The computer that was to go on board was about as powerful as a hand calculator is today. And yet we considered it a marvelous machine, and it was about this big.
What we're giving them is hands-on knowledge, and we're interfacing scientists with these kids during our camp.
All of this is controls it.
It makes it go and it makes it stop.
Yeah.
The Hubble Space Telescope launched in 1990 and continues to give us amazing pictures of planets, stars, and galaxies.
And I saw Milky Way, and that was so cool.
And these mini Hubbles are taking pictures too.
So we actually got some pretty good images with this.
All this hands-on work is helping students learn that space and the technology used in space is not science fiction.
It's not a mystery, it's not magical. There are physical principles that cause this thing to operate, and that they can understand them. I mean, it's really been an eye-opening thing for a lot of the kids, I think.
Well, I really like building the Hubble because all the wiring and the technology in it, it was really hard, but it paid off.
This Hubble camp is making a big impact.
I think it's just amazing because now whenever you look up in the sky, you see a lot of stuff and you know what it is.
And this knowledge might create the next generation of space-loving scientists. Hubble offers more than just eye candy. See how Vanderbilt scientists are using the telescope in their research on the Ring Nebula. Go to news.vanderbilt.edu, search Ring Nebula. The Dyer Observatory offers everything from camps and tours to telescope viewing nights. Find out more on dyer.vanderbilt.edu. This guy wants to suck your blood. But Vanderbilt mosquito expert Larry Zweibel says there's a reason why some folks get bitten more than others. Number one, Professor Zweibel says they can sense heat and carbon dioxide we emit. So people who exert more energy, like larger people or pregnant women, will get bitten more often. Number two, mosquitoes are attracted to our smell, especially if we're sweating. And you know how your mom always told you to stop scratching? Guess what? She was right. Zweibel says scratching just spreads mosquito saliva, which releases antibodies and, you guessed it, makes you itch more. Find out why kids have stronger reactions to mosquito bites by reading a great article with Professor Zweibel in the Wall Street Journal. Just go to news.vanderbilt.edu, search Zweibel and mosquitoes.
Custom-made nail files. I'm Pinterested. Thick-framed glasses. I'm Pinterested. Hipster mustaches. I'm Pinterested.
If you've played around on Pinterest, you know how addictive it can be. Follow Vanderbilt's pins at pinterest.com/VanderbiltU and check out some of these fun boards. Need ideas for decorating your dorm? We've got them.
I'm Pinterested.
Planning a wedding but need a theme? We have some ideas.
I'm Pinterested.
And check out fans from around the world sharing VU hand signs with us, even in utero.
I'm just Pinterested.
I might be spending a little more time on Pinterest since I'm heading out on maternity leave. Keep following VUCast, and I'll see you in a few months. For VUCast, I'm Amy Wolf.